Today on the Valois Verdict, we're talking about the legal path to adoption in Louisiana. Welcome to the Valois Verdict. Adoption is a beautiful journey. It can be filled with love and hope and new beginnings. But navigating the legal aspects of adoption in Louisiana is complex. In Louisiana, there are several types of adoptions available to prospective parents, whether you're looking to adopt through an agency or privately, or through the foster care system. Understanding the difference in the options is crucial. And agency adoptions often involve a licensed organization that will match children with prospective adoptive parents. Private adoptions, on the other hand, are arranged directly between the birth parents and the adoptive parents, often with the help of an attorney. Adoption is a legal process. It requires careful preparation and understanding of Louisiana's laws. The adoption process in Louisiana includes home studies, background checks, and court approvals. It can be overwhelming, but with the right support, it becomes a journey worth taking. One of the most sensitive aspects of adoption is the rights of the birth parents. In Louisiana, our birth parents must provide their consent for the adoption to proceed, but we have very specific timelines and legal requirements that all parties need to be aware of. Understanding the rights of birth parents is crucial for both the prospective adopting parents and the birth parents themselves. Finalizing an adoption in Louisiana is a wonderful day. It involves a court hearing where a judge will review the case and, once approved, issue an adoption decree. This is a momentous occasion that legally recognizes the new parent-child relationship. If you're considering an adoption in Louisiana, let me be your trusted partner on this journey. I want to ensure that you've got all of the resources and the guidance you need as you begin this new chapter with this child. Contact me today to schedule a consultation. Together, we can make your dream of becoming a parent a reality. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you found this content helpful, please share it with someone who might need it.